right, guys, welcome back. We're still celebrating our heritage, and this morning's fun stop is supposed to be both fun and educational.
And stop.
Stop. We're going to be showing some old-time items to see if we remember their names and their uses. So,
screen.
Simmer, you have to help me out here. So
why I feel like I know?
For the things them.
All right, come in.
This is the iron. You put coal in it, and then you iron with it, right?
That not bad.
It's a coal iron. That's what it's called?
I'm going to say yes.
Okay.
I've never seen
What's
one
the
of them.
name
But
of it, though? I know it's a cast. No, it's a cast iron something. Oh, metal irons. Okay, all right.
So she was right then. Traditional coal iron. See, traditional coal irons, also known as a hot box iron. Yeah, when Jamaicans say hot box, we're talking about a different thing. Anyway, they were commonly used in Jamaica for ironing clothes before the widespread availability of electric irons. These irons featured a hollow chamber that could be filled with hot coal, allowing them to maintain a steady heat for extended periods, which made ironing more efficient. Well, of course.
How do you gauge these, though? You know, just burn out the clothes and done? You gauge this, though.
Let me tell you, we couldn't use that.
Okay, so enamel mug.
Yes. Or, let her tell you what. No, let her tell you what it is. It's a trimmy.
It's a what?
It's a chimney.
That's not a chimney.
Yeah.
It's a chimney?
But that chimney that look like a cup. Me not use a chimney. The only reason I know it's true, but I need the bed sheet because it does look like a thick cup.
The
chimney.
Or chimney.
A chimney?
A chimney we call it.
It's going to be a chimney. Chimney is what Santa Claus come down.
We've never seen any Santa into these.
No.
Emotional damage.
Okay.
So the chimney is a traditional Jamaican urinal often made of metal or ceramic. It was commonly used before modern plumbing became widespread. People used it at night or in situations where accessing a bathroom was inconvenient.
Many of us need a chimney in our cars. It's a long story. Don't look at me. Design typically features a handle for easy use and transport.
It's a nostalgic item that reflects the practical solutions of earlier Jamaican households. Very practical.
Not you making me have this image of Santa Claus being stuck in a literal chimney.
I mean,
chimney, not the chimney. Santa, what you doing in the chimney?
He would absolutely be stuck in this, that's for sure. Okay.
This is one cold pot. Which part of this you want us to talk about? The cold stove or the pot or the Dutch pot?
It's a cold stove or Dutch pot. Dutchy.
Several things there.
It's a Dutchy.
That can be identified.
Cold stove.
It's a classic cooking appliance used in Jamaican households before the widespread adoption of gas and electric stove. It burns coal or wood for fuel and can reach high temperatures, making it effective for various cooking methods, including frying and boiling. This stove is a symbol of traditional Jamaican cooking and community life.
A cold stove or bonnet?
Girl.
You stay burnt, you know that, right?
No.
You stay burnt.
Catch a thermos and a lunch pan. Oh my gosh.
Oh my God. I had this in basic school. I think the first year ever, my grandmother gifted something like this to me.
Back to basics.
That was the first and last time I ever saw something like this.
Oh gosh. Yo, them thermos, those thermos used to thermos.
They don't make them like this.
They don't make them like that.
They don't. These thingamajiggies?
Yeah, no, they must have no purpose.
No, they don't.
Yeah, when you open this, you have to keep your face away from it because it's a high flame.
Exactly. And the lunch pan keep your food warm.
When the steam come out, forget about it.
The lunch pan, guys, it's a popular hard plastic container used in Jamaica for carrying meals, especially for school or work, often sold with a thermos. It features compartments to keep different food items separate and fresh. The thermos is ideal for keeping drinks or soups hot or cold, making it convenient for packed lunches. And that it did. This lunch kit reflects a practical approach to meal prep, allowing for nutritious homemade food to be enjoyed on the go.
Anybody
Truly.
can tell me where I can find a thermos like that again, please? Just in a matches.
Jonathan, you know, so this up.
Them don't make them again like that, long this
They
Monday.
don't.
Them used to insulate it enough, so sometimes, depending on if you were taking care of your thermos or no, the glass in there used to shatter, remember? And then you couldn't drink it again because you couldn't keep it warm. But man,
if you ever put chocolate tea in this, oh, glory be to the Lord. Amen.
2 cup in there.
At the top.
Yes.
It used to form the cover. It's true.
One day you did have a lunch kit, you know? So one day you had one.
Look at her face.
It's true. Oh gosh, it's pretty
It's true. Lord,
Genie floor polish. Let me tell you,
and the
about
brush.
this.
The brush. Don't forget the brush.
Make sure so you did have something underneath your knee, because let I tell you something. You're going all across the, what do you call that red floor? No, it wasn't called red floor.
The wooden floor you talking about? No.
You had the red one. See the red one to the right?
Yeah.
The coconut brush was for the wooden floor too?
Yes, you use it to brush it, to rub it in. You squeeze a little bit on it, you use it to rub it in.
It's usually the red floor I used to use it on. When the coconut has ripened and the outer husk has turned brown, a few months later it's going to fall from the palm on its own accord. At that time, the core, the endosperm, has thickened and hardened, and the coconut is less likely to cause damage when it drops, and this husk is cut in two, grated and used to shine the floor.
I never knew this before.
It's a manual polisher, everybody, is really what it was. But when you finish with this, you have to go and sleep.
Listen to me, it's hard, you know?
Oh,
It's a workout
it was
by
cardio.
itself.
It was cardio, we just never knew.
And let's just talk
Wax
about
on, wax off. Wax on.
If
we
that
were
red
karate
touch ever touch
kidding.
your finger.
Are you closed?
Listen
It's
me.
over. Flank
That is
away.
it for you.
Garbage.
That is it for you. And the other thing is, after
And
mommy would have.
so today.
Yes. And after she do her work and shine up the floor, you better not go on there, you know. If she ever see a foot mark, they should measure your foot and
How about this phone
dealt
card?
with your phone card.
Oh my gosh.
You know the
Oh yeah, love.
were they metallic? Like they were heavy plastic, right?
Don't know.
A calling card in Jamaica refers to a prepaid card used for making phone calls, particularly before the widespread use of mobile phones. These cards often contained a PIN or code that users would dial to access a certain amount of talk time on landlines or pay
Oh, this is what you use for ICOS? Dial up. Sound effects. You have to wait for about 2 minutes of that before the car connect.
You lie, Simmer.
You never use ICOS?
Where would I stay to use ICAS? Where would I really stay to use ICAS?
Into your country?
No,
You never have ICOS?
no. I was a baby, so when I was introduced to phones is when Daddy got him landline in the house, and then we got a cell phone.
But ICOS was for landline.
My family went to phone booth, but I never talked to nobody. Oh yeah, and there was a line. There was also a line there. Yeah,
Not long, they're shading you.
that's fine. I'm okay.
Or true though. You go to iPhone, it's a outing. Yeah, it's a special time. Where you going? I'm gonna call my friend in foreign, my family in foreign. And you join a line and you wait.
And what happens if that friend doesn't pick up?
Then no money. Mercy.
Phone
No,
box
that money
is
come off of my
lower.
neck. Get off my.
How many calls
Nelson,
have
do you know
how
what
many
that
calls
is?
have you made, Simma? How
Nelson,
many calls
do you
have
know-
made?
Nelson, do you know what that is?
Nelson don't know what it is.
Nelson, have you used one of those?
Never.
Okay, Nelson said, what is that?
How many calls have you made from one of these boxes, Simma?
Do you know, sir, I never used to have to use them? Because true, I had a phone at my house.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Didn't have to go sell.
All right. Hey.
Mine was not out, mine was at in.
Hey.
What, you used to shove the can into that little part at
It
the bottom?
seems to be that way. Yeah. Yeah.
Why ladies and gentlemen, we need to give thanks for technology. Because we are come from far, you know?
God, thanks, man.
Far. FAR. You see the first cellular phone then?
Huh?
Have you seen what the first
Cellular
brick
phone
phones?
Yes, and I remember seeing a gentleman with it and with a suitcase as well.
But then what else you going to carry it in?
Right?
What else
And
could
I was
order?
like, a suitcase, sir? And it was huge. It was like, I think he worked at Jamaica at the time. I don't know him. I was in a taxi with him. And I was
How
like,
dare we
how
used to call
what
that
is
a
this?
cellular phone? There was nothing cellular about it. You need a group to carry it?
Listen to me.
No. Home sweet home lamp.
Home lamp. Yes.
Look at kerosene.
You know, these
Turn
are,
up the wick and you're good.
treasures right now, you know, because even during burial, I saw people asking, you know, where they could buy them. Yeah.
Yep. Kerosene
Yeah.
oil lamp, traditional lighting device used in Jamaican households, especially before the widespread availability of electricity, consists of a glass reservoir filled with kerosene oil, a wick, and a chimney too, to help control the flame.
Yes,
and
that thing in my
direct light.
jiggy. You put
But
over
if a soot though, if it burn too long, so you have to take off the top part and clean it with newspaper. Landy, you know the things, you know. Kerosene lamps provided a reliable source of illumination for homes, particularly in rural areas or during power outages.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Nice
Only
little
the
trip
wick,
down
if the
memory
wick
lane.
is burning out quickly though, you know you start frets, because once the wick done, it done.
Deb, do you know what that is?
A nappy?
Not the
And the
nappy
pin?
or the safety pin. Which one?
It cannot be the safety pin. Safety pin is still in.
Baby
It's the nappy. In Jamaica, cloth nappies were traditionally used by parents to manage infants' waste. Now, these reusable nappies were often handmade. Really? I didn't know that.
Why would do
And
it?
families valued them for their cost effectiveness and environmental benefits. But the experience wasn't so nice at all.
Why would do it?
Now, while disposable diapers have gained popularity in recent years, cloth nappies still hold cultural significance, do they, though? Especially in rural areas where resources
It's
might be
true.
limited.
Sponge
Maybe
is
true,
not-
for sure. Yeah.
London Pampers are very expensive.
Very expensive.
And so for some folks,
I was at a baby shower
washers.
yesterday. And every shower that I go to now, Sima, I buy a box of Pampers because I've been there.
it's very expensive. But let me tell you, you ever see, people can wash a nappy, you know, white like snow. See them on the line. It's a skill, trust me. This now, we used to put them on the fridge.
Oh, yes.
What you call them?
Magnets.
You are the magnet. Why, Dominic, you're taking me down the road this morning. What are some of them don't cute? Them don't
If you go to
cute.
somebody's house and the fridge don't have the magnet, you're not going on with nothing in your life.
What was fun about them, Landell? What? Why you play with them to do what? You used to play with them?
Yes.
You used to play with the magnet?
Of course. And if it's good, if like your freezer had some and your fridge part of it had some, you know, the lower parts of it. Yeah. Go out with things in your life. You never have no magnet on your fridge?
I had magnet, but I didn't really, it wasn't a game for me.
I like
I
them.
did just think them that did just.
I like them.
I didn't see the point.
Yeah.
You see the pockets and the sensory size? Very special.
Okay. Right.
We don't need to bring Landia in on this segment.
La-di-da-di.
Is this a Lada?
La-di-da-di-da. La-da-da.
Let me tell you something about a Lada. You never need to work out if you're driving a Lada. Can you see a Lada clutch? No, on laugh. First of all, this was the best car to learn to drive on.
Exactly.
But you see your legs after you finish driving a Lada? Properly if them toned, Debbie, you probably can't walk after you come out. It is also the truth. But, this car. I would like you, if you can, Dominique, to put up what just Google the new Lada for me to see have you seen what the new ones
Yes,
look
they're
like?
very fancy.
If them nice?
Yeah, they're very fancy. But I mean, big up to my family in St. Anne, Auntie Jennifer and everybody. But I remember one year, my grandmother brought me to go visit my grand aunt, Aunt Pearl, rest her soul. But there was this gentleman who was taking us to where she lived, and he was driving a Lada. But how he got it started was he had to push it.
Yeah, and
Had it
jump in.
run up and then jump. Boy, you don't hear that thing yet. I'm a child. This is traumatic for me, okay? This memory lives rent-free in my brain. I'm looking at the floor, Simone.
It have moved fast.
I'm looking through the vehicle on the ground, okay? Because,
Air condition.
listen to me.
What happened?
You see where the air stick is? No floor, no there. I don't know how the vehicle carries.
One thing though, Deb. You're gonna see the ground, but the car not dry rot.
never
I bet you that car is still around. You see them Kermit now? You see when
It's
it
the
start to
most
rot, the floor
sustainable
gonna leave
vehicle.
you. You see the Lada?
It's the most like when he was out there running, I said, Grandma, what is he doing? Grandma said, "Man, start the car."
See this, so look at the screen. This is the new Lada. No.
Wow.
Yes, my love. So they've come. I don't think that floor is rotting.
No.
Or you have to run down that one and catch it.
Look at the lights though. Oh my gosh.
man.
That's very fancy.
Yeah.
I bet you it's electric.
Yeah, but if you learn on a Lada, you are well taught.
I think so too.
You can
Because
drive anything if you drive a Lada. 14. You okay now, Deb?
I am
Did you talk to
fine.
somebody about it? No?
I may need to do a sim soul session.
If you do, come and talk to me. I won't charge you. I don't charge anybody, but flitters in our money.
Wait,
yeah.
no, that's Donkey Kong.
No way.
That's Donkey Kong.
Jackass corn.
Jackass Kong, yeah.
They look flitters.
Donkey Kong, there we go in Jamaica. Donkey Kong refers to a hard
Donkey
emphasis
corn.
on the hard biscuit made from cornmeal, traditionally consumed as a snack. If you get to it, it's known for its durability. No joke about that, and long shelf life, making it a practical food item. People have used it as
As what? Rockstone?
yes,
Of course you can bust my head.
especially in rural communities.
It's a weapon.
It's
it's a weapon.
I'm telling you.
Yeah, somebody
Yeah.
if somebody offend you, flang a donkey corn.
And they don't make them like they used to, because first time you'd have had to just be there, trying to get it soft before you actually can bite into
You
it.
try soak that into your saliva before you even try to chew, or else you're going to the
Exactly.
dentist. I've never heard it called donkey corn though.
You've never heard it called Donkey Kong? Donkey Jackass.
Oh, Jackass
thing,
and-
yeah. Donkey Kong.
You see a jackass corn and a staggerback.
A what? What you call a
You
staggerback?
don't know a staggerback?
No, what's a staggerback?
Lada, do you know staggerback?
Oh, it's a
You don't know Buster?
Oh, Buster. I know
Oh.
Buster. I don't know it as staggerback, but I
Oh.
know Buster. Sky juice.
Sky juice. Sky juice.
Yeah.
Suck is when
Suck is when you tie the top
Yes.
and it's hard.
Yes.
Yeah.
You know, it used to grieve me when the straw inadvertently bust your bag.
Listen,
Used to be so cross.
yeah. But
Sky
this is really
juice.
good on a hot day. I like how they modernize them now. They've added spirits to them sometimes.
Oh, true? Mm-hmm. Debbie, you really need to come and talk to me. When you say spirits, you mean like duppy?
No, man, like,
Yeah.
nicer spirits.
Okay.
Happier spirits. Yeah. Okay.
Confession is good for the soul. Sky juice is a refreshing drink made from ice water and flavored syrup, often enjoyed in hot weather. It's a popular street food item in Jamaica, known for its sweet and cooling properties, making it a favorite among locals and visitors alike. Do they still sell Sky
They
juice?
do. And as I said, they've modernized them, even at parties now. They even have some that they freeze them and they sell them packaged inside.
Yeah.
Yes.
Then a suck that.
Well,
So that's a
maybe,
suck-suck.
but I mean, how they've packaged it is that it's not tied. The end isn't tied. It's just sealed from end to end.
Then the suck that?
Me no know if
Bag
they call it
juice
suck-
that. Bag juice that.
Yeah,
I chew.
but they still call it Sky Juice.
One
so.
time I go church with my parents in Upper Border, with Clive and Jermaine. When the door great this morning. They would eat us, I eat suck. I don't know how much suck I eat that day. You see, when I look into the mirror, my lip was this big.
Why?
Swear, I don't know. But it was something in the sock or the fact that
So
I
you
had
didn't
too
feel
many.
it growing?
I didn't feel it growing.
Okay, all right, just ask it.
Then I
just
looked
ask
into
it.
the mirror and my top lip was over my nose and my bottom lip was.
Have you gotten over it? Do you want to talk to somebody? You want a
I'm
dead
okay
soul
now.
session?
Yes, please. Can we? Well, as you can see, it's gotten back to
You're
normal,
good.
but it
You're
was
good,
very
you're good, you're
traumatic
good.
at the time.
Oh, gosh.
Moral of the story.
Yeah.
Who do you buy a sock from?
Be careful.
What a nice little
Be
stroll down
careful.
memory lane this
I love it.
morning.
Yeah.
That was
Did we miss
fun.
anything?
What?
Khaki
The what?
button?
What is a khaki button?
Police button.
Police button.
Oh, my khaki button.
I never hear khaki button.
No, it's
yet in my
police
life.
button.
Police
I love
button.
police button.
London, I'm still eating police button.
Yes.
Nothing nice like although they have become increasingly. I think the police button can also be a version of donkey corn because
Aye,
they've become
gotcha.
increasingly tough.
True.
So you have to make sure that they're soft before
They're a little bit on the
venture
harder
up.
side of life. For real.
What else?
What else? Asham.
Asham will kill you.
Girl.
Eat at your own risks.
Do not eat asham too fast.
Have a glass of water nearby. Also, somebody who's good at
will
CPR.
pass
It will take you. It will. Asham ever stuck in your throat back here?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
No, Spandy. No.
See the asham there on the
So me
screen?
watch it and me just
Father
feel like
God,
the cracks.
great.
I can't look.
Listen,
look.
your windpipe will just lock off completely.
Yeah, Asham down the wrong
Completely.
throat is spelling completely.
Exactly.
faster.
Okay.
Just like what, Soji?
Stinking toe?
Tinking toe. Jesus. Debbie, why we...
Stinking toe is not as bad as they say.
It's
though.
not. It's worse.
It's not. No, it smells weird, but I've had the juice from a stinking toe, and it's not that bad. No, it's not that bad. It's not that bad.
I'm looking at it in a whole different judgmental light.
It smells weird, but I've had people who juice it and they make a nice little refreshing juice from it. And it tastes
Tinking
good.
toe juice?
Serious. And tambourine. Woo! Well, I don't. That's stinking toe right there.
I mean, who was the first person who broke open a stinking toe and said, "Yum, this would be great to put in my mouth"?
You eat what you can find, Simmer. You eat what you can find. Yeah. Are you fine with? Yeah, you eat what you can find. Something, but you just eat what you can. Yeah, anyways. Tamarind ball is also a very good one. I still love.
Yeah. I'm still at tinking toe.
Oh.
What's that? The sugar, yeah. Coconut and sugar,
Coconut
didn't
and sugar
I?
together. Yes,
Yeah.
that's true. That's nice.
Tinking
That's
toe
nice.
though.
Tamarind ball, I still love tamarind, but I can't eat so much anymore.
You ever eat tamarind I tell your roof mouth?
First of all,
your hard palate say no more.
tamarind we actually close on one of your eye. You ever had one of them before? It's so till it close on one of your eye. Okay, all right.
That's when you eat it straight out of the shell.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you not
Okay.
stopping now?
You're not stopping?
You're
No,
not stopping?
no.
Submission. I'm still at thinking toe though. We have to talk about it some more. It really smells like foot. Gizzada. Why would you eat? I don't know.
Drops.
That's it for our fun.
And
stuff,
drops
everybody.
and
Thinking toe. Why are you thinking toe?
you know.